I've got two things to show you this morning relating to workshop data. Really exciting stuff. One is an update, and if I jump into workshop data on this random vehicle, which is in a transaction, under repairs and under adjustments, I'm going to show you the quick guides, which shows you everything. What we had previously was we've effectively added more information. So we've got more detail in here. So we've got more information where previously this didn't display quite as much, which meant that it was not showing you some of these pieces of information. So now you can see that there's so much detail in here. Now, the other really cool thing that is about to come out, the guys are working really hard on, is selecting make and model. Let's have a look at that. So when you go into workshop data and the VIN isn't found, it comes up with a vehicle search. So you can search for cars, motorcycles, and trucks. So we're going to go into cars. It lists all the vehicles here. We can also optionally at the top search for the vehicle that we want. So in this case, we'll search for a Tesla, and then we can find the model that we want to find. And so, for example, when you click on the model, it shows you an image at the top, and then you can select the variant that is applicable for that model as well. We can also select trucks, and trucks have got a breakdown of light and trailers and then sort of heavy trucks. And so it's got a little bit different in terms of the way in which it goes and does its search. So in this instance, if we list the trucks, we're going to Ford, and again, it lists the and shows you an image of the actual truck. This is coming out real soon. Super excited about this particular feature. It's really exciting. So stay tuned for this. Coming real soon. Working really hard on making workshop data the best thing ever.